Hello guys and welcome to the Footy Talks. Here in this video, we will be looking at the huge victory which the Indians achieved in the year 1911. Before we start, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. And therefore, without further ado, let's get this video started. The Mohun Bagan Athletic Club was formed in 1889. In the early 1900s, they had become the talking point of the Indian footballing circuits. The IFA Shield, the most prestigious cup competition during those days, was only contested by British clubs in India and regimental teams. But seeing the popularity of the Mohun Bagan football team during the time, they became the first All-India team to participate in the IFA Shield in the 1909 season. The club was hot and cold in its first two attempts at the competition. Bagan were coached by the General Secretary of the club and former army personnel in the British Indian Army, Sailen Basu. He used the tough physical approaches learned in the army to train the players. The methods played dividends and Bagan started to dominate local tournaments. Bagan used the Pyramid 2-3-5 in their title-winning campaign of 1911, the common formation during the era. The team was carried by the intelligence of the halfback Rajendranath Sengupta, who superbly combined the attack with the defense. In front of goal, they were driven forward by their inspirational captain Shibdas Bhaduri. Their campaign started off with a win on 10th July 1911 with a score of 3-0 against St. Xavier's. The score could have been otherwise without their goalie Hiralal Mukherjee saving 3 penalties to keep the lead intact. Next, on 14th July, they came up against the Rangers FC. Leading 2-0 at the break, they held on to the lead and finished 2-1, thanks again to their inspirational goalkeeper. In the quarter-final, they defeated the Rifle Bridge 1-0. In the semi-final replay, they defeated Middlesex Regiment 3-0 after the first match ended 1-1. At this stage, all the Bengali youths were rejuvenated with undaunted spirits. The Bombay paper, The Times of India Illustrated Weekly, reported that Thursday and Friday were the proudest days of Bengali's life. The Britishers were not at all amused at these events. On 4th August 1911, the Hitabadi magazine reported that on the evening after the semi-final was over, an Indian passenger asked his co-British passenger the score of the match. In return, he got a tight slap. It was the day of the final. People were hoarding in from all directions to the Calcutta Football Club. The East Indian Railway had to arrange for special trains to bring the people to Calcutta. Almost 100,000 spectators gathered at the ground, but not many were sure what the outcome would be. 11 barefooted bravehearts against 11 booted soldiers with a ball in the middle. As all supporters did not make it to the ground, the spectators flew kites to allow the people to know the scoreline. The game was dull in the first half, but the game opened up after the Englishmen took the lead. Soon, Shibdas Bhaduri scored the equalizer. Few minutes later, Bagan's muscular centre forward Abhilash Ghosh gave Bagan the lead and whole of Calcutta erupted. The win was symbolized as a win of Indians against the British imperialists. The win gave Indians a hope, and they lived with the same hope till getting the independence in 1947. So that's the video, guys. Hope you have enjoyed it. Leave a like, comment and share it with your friends. And as always, see you in the next video. Goodbye.